Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Nothing Else Matters on guitar. First, ensure your guitar is perfectly tuned to standard E-A-D G-B-E. We will begin by mastering the foundational open E minor and D major chord shapes. Focus on clean fretting and clear strumming for each chord. Practice transitioning slowly between these two, aiming for a seamless flow. This initial step builds the essential muscle memory for the song's opening. Now, let's dive into the song's iconic fingerpicked intro riff. This section primarily uses the open G, B, and high E strings. The pattern involves a repeating four-note arpeggio, often starting with the open G string. Use your thumb for the lower strings and your index and middle fingers for the higher ones. Practice this sequence slowly, ensuring each note rings out clearly and evenly. Consistency is key here. As you progress, understanding the song's structure is vital. Nothing Else Matters features clear sections, the gentle intro, the more melodic verse, and the powerful chorus. Notice how the dynamics shift, moving from soft fingerpicking to more robust strumming. Practice these transitions carefully, ensuring your volume and attack match the song's emotional intensity. This attention to detail brings the piece to life. To truly master this song, consistent practice is essential. Start by using a metronome to develop precise timing and rhythm, gradually increasing the tempo. Break down any challenging sections into smaller, manageable parts and practice them repeatedly. Once you feel confident with individual sections, try playing the entire song from start to finish. Remember, patience and persistence are your best friends on this musical journey.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.